Google just flipped a switch inside Chrome, and most people have no idea it happened. Your browser, the same one you've been using the exact same way for years, just got a lot smarter overnight. And I'm not talking about some small setting buried in a menu somewhere. I'm talking about a real AI assistant that now lives right next to every tab you open, and it's rolling out way faster than people realize. If you use Chrome every single day, which let's be honest, you probably do, this is one of those updates you want to know about today, not next month. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. So here's what actually happened. Google's AI assistant inside Chrome, it's called Gemini in Chrome, used to be locked down to a small handful of countries. It started in the US, then it slowly crept out to places like Canada, New Zealand, and India. Then it reached parts of Asia Pacific, and as of June 10th, Google basically threw the doors wide open. It's now rolling out to desktop and iOS users across Latin America, Africa, the Middle East, and a bunch more regions. We're talking about somewhere around 172 countries and regions getting access. That's not a small update, that's a massive jump. So if you've been hearing people talk about this and wondering why you couldn't use it, there's a good chance you can right now. Quick heads up though, if you're in the European Union, you're still left out for the moment because of stricter data rules over there. But pretty much everywhere else is getting it. Now, here's what's interesting about this, and it's bigger than just Chrome. AI is moving away from being some separate app you have to remember to open. It's moving straight into the tools you already use all day, and your browser is the biggest one of all. Think about how much of your day actually happens inside Chrome. You're reading, researching, writing, watching videos. Google looked at that and basically said, what if your assistant just lived right there next to everything you're already doing? That's exactly what this is. It's built on Gemini 3, which is Google's most capable model right now, and it sits in a side panel right next to whatever tab you've got open. So what can you actually do with it? Let me break it down. First, it summarizes content. You land on some long, messy article, you tap the assistant, and it gives you the short version instantly. No more scrolling for 10 minutes trying to find the one paragraph you actually needed. Second, and this is the one that quietly saves the most time, it can compare information across multiple tabs. You know that thing where you've got 8 tabs open and you're trying to line them all up in your head? It does that for you now. Third, it connects directly to your other Google apps right from that same side panel. You can schedule something in Calendar, check a location in Maps, draft an email in Gmail, or ask questions about a YouTube video, and you never have to leave the page you're already on. And then there's the wild one. Google brought its image tool, Nano Banana 2, straight into the Chrome side panel. So you can see an image online, type what you want changed, and it transforms it right there. No downloading it, no opening another tab, no uploading it somewhere else. It just happens in the same window you're already working in. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, if you're wondering how to actually turn this on, it's simple on desktop. So that's Mac, Windows, or a Chromebook Plus. You'll see an Ask Gemini button sitting in the top right corner of your Chrome window. Click it, and the side panel opens right up. There is also a keyboard shortcut, and you can right-click on basically any page and select Ask Gemini from the menu. If you want to adjust how it behaves, you go into Chrome Settings, then AI Innovations, then Gemini in Chrome. And on iOS, it's rolling out directly inside the Chrome app too. One small thing worth knowing, it can open 2 different ways. You can keep it as a side panel that sits next to your page, or you can pop it out into a floating window that moves around freely. Some people like it locked in place while they read, other people like dragging it onto a second screen. There's no wrong answer, it just bends to how you already work. Now let's talk about safety for a second, because this is actually important. When you give an assistant the ability to read your pages and touch your other apps, you want some guardrails in place, and Google clearly thought about this. They've said the models are trained to recognize known threats like prompt injection, which is basically when a web page tries to sneak hidden instructions into the AI behind your back. And before it does anything sensitive on your behalf, it's built to stop and ask you to confirm first. So you're still the one in control here. It's not just running off doing things without you knowing. And this is where it gets really interesting because there's one feature almost nobody's talking about yet. It's called personal intelligence. This is where the assistant actually starts to know your world. You can connect Gmail, Google Photos, YouTube, and search, and once you do, it gives you answers that are actually tailored to you specifically instead of generic responses anyone would get. It can also remember context from your past conversations, so you're not stuck repeating yourself every single time you open it. Now, quick honesty note here. Personal intelligence is currently desktop only, and it's for Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers. So it's a step up from the free version, not the base feature. But it shows you exactly where this whole thing is heading, and that's worth paying attention to. Now, let's be real for a second about who actually needs this, because not everyone uses Chrome the same way. If you live in your browser all day, reading, researching, writing, planning, this is going to feel like a genuine upgrade. Students can use it to break down dense articles fast. If you're drowning in emails, you can draft faster. If you're someone who always has way too many tabs open, you can finally get them under control. The busier your browser, the more this actually helps you. If you barely touch Chrome, sure, it's not going to change your life. But for most of us, we basically live inside this thing all day long. So this matters more than people realize. So that's the real story behind this Chrome update. It's smarter, it's now available in way more countries than before, and it's sitting right there next to everything you're already doing online instead of making you open a separate app every time. You need help. The rollout alone tells you where Google's headed with this, and the personal intelligence piece tells you where it's headed next. This is one of those updates that's easy to scroll past and forget about by tomorrow. So if you actually use Chrome daily, go turn it on today while it's fresh. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.